Hello! Today we're going to be working on a module for the head to make it so it's easier to put the camera actually in MARDUK's head instead of in her mouth. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a sort of sleeve that's more or less like the front of her face, that beveled cylinder bit right here. And it will slip over the front just like a sleeve and hold the camera inside. So, let's get to business. So I made some paper templates on my computer using a program called Pepakura, which is Japanese for papergraph, a very fun program that can take 3D models, turn them into a paper template, which you can then construct in real life. And what I did was I just traced over them onto some aluminum flashing. You can get it for 50 bucks for 50 feet at your local home improvement store. And what I'm going to do is just cut out the patterns in the metal. And I just lightly score it with my trusty X-Acto knife, and I tear. So you rip and tear. Now you probably noticed that I wasn't exactly precise for some of these cuts, and that's because these are going to be tabs I'm going to be riveting together. So the tabs are not really a main part of the outward structure, so they can be any length that I need to. And I will be cutting them out using a pair of big ol' scissors. Well, tin snips really. And now that our pieces are all cut out, we temporarily put them together using some Harambe tape. Other tapes are available. All temporarily assembled. Now what we're going to use is we're going to use a piece of wood, that way we don't damage the table, and a drill with an 8-inch drill bit, and we're going to be pop riveting, which is just a very simple process where this little sleeve goes into the hole, and then this tab pulls up, causing it to bulge out, pretty much pinning everything in place. There we go. Now what we do is we stick a rivet right in the hole. And we get our riveting tool and squeeze. Broke off the tab, that means it's done. And we repeat all the way around. And now we remove the Harambe tape. And here we go, one piece, free of the Harambe tape. It is a nice tapered cylinder. So now what I gotta do is I gotta put a sleeve on this side so it goes out and can slide over the face. And to do that, I've got some scrap flashing I've had kicking around, so I'm going to be attaching it on a similar principle. Now, since it's hard to get the drill actually in here, I'm going to be hanging it off the table a bit on the 2x4, sort of like a blacksmith's horn on his anvil, and drill the holes that way. When complete face panel, I just gotta cut a hole for the eyeball, and then put a mounting bracket inside for the camera, so a face like that, and cut out a spot for MARDUK's jaw to slide through. And there we go. Got a nice hole and a slot for MARDUK's jaw to fit. So go on, kind of like that. And what I gotta do is put in a cradle to hold the camera in place. one cross brace, and then we put the camera right up there. And you can see it peeking out. Hello. So, all that's left to do really is to paint it orange. And now we let it dry. And there we go. New face module is on. Makes MARDUK's face jut out a little more, but the camera is nice and secure in the eyeball, actually in the head for once. And we should be all set to go. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.